You might think that leaves are not a good thing to draw with, and I would just say to that that you should think more carefully before you open your mouth, because some people, that's all they've got to draw with, and it's just, you're basically crushing someone's dreams by saying that to them. But then again, if they've only got leaves to draw with, then they're pretty stupid. I mean, it's easy to find something else, just like use a stick, or like go and buy a pencil or something. Anyway, a lot of you have been asking me how to draw a dog. So I mean, dogs obviously have 4 legs and a head and some other stuff. So it's pretty easy. I mean, just draw it like that. It's easy. Easy dog. Well, it's a pretty advanced dog, really. But I mean, everyone should be able to draw it. Not as good as I can, but yeah. So like, go and draw a dog.